Hi guys, this is Dave at CU CCTV. Today we're going to be enabling the audio on your Prolux DVR. So start by going to main menu, go to your camera settings, and then we're going to enable your smart codec and go down to more settings. The important thing that you want to look at here is enabling your audio source to HDCVI. And then the second thing you're going to want to do to make sure this works on your phone app as well is go to more settings on your substream and make sure you've got that copied there. Go down to the bottom corner, enable that. Go to copy, select all. This will copy them settings across all 4 channels. So this will do that for your FPS and your resolutions as well. Apply that, then just go to channel 2, make sure that this has been copied across all channels. And then again, just have a look on channel 3 and 4 to make sure that your settings are all copied across. Then click apply, and that is everything you need for your audio over coax.